Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping. Make sure the AirPods Pro case and your Android phone are charged and Bluetooth is visible. Once done, disable Bluetooth on other nearby devices so the phone connects cleanly to the AirPods. Next, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and long press the AirPods entry if already paired. If not paired, put the AirPods in the case, hold the setup button until the light flashes. This first reset clears glitchy autopause states and prepares you for deeper fixes. You now tackle Android-specific causes. First, disable battery optimization for Bluetooth and any music or podcast apps because aggressive power saving forces pauses. Then check adaptive features like media resumption or app background restrictions and turn them off so playback isn't interrupted. If you have developer options, change Bluetooth AVIC version to 1.4 or above to improve headset control compatibility. These changes address how Android manages audio streams and control signals, which is why they often stop You finish by repairing the AirPods. Forget the device, restart Bluetooth, and pair again to apply the configuration changes. Test playback in multiple apps to confirm the fix and watch for consistent behavior. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone because corrupted Bluetooth profiles can linger. This is a broader but effective step. One key troubleshooting tip: if autopause continues, check AirPods firmware. Update via an Apple device or contact Apple support, since some fixes require manufacturer firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.